Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial of Opencart point of sale system. Now, Opencart point of system refers to a system where the merchant can create the order from a physical store using the POS and the order will be generated in the Opencart. The basic feature of the POS system for Opencart is to create the order in front of the customer so that customer can purchase the good from the physical store as well as from the online e-commerce store. With the help of this module, merchants can manage their inventory and customer easily. And the most important thing is that they can easily manage their day-to-day transaction without any hassle. This module is a powerful tool to manage the sales and revenue. Admin can also set up the physical store along with the online Opencart store. So for the better understanding, you can also refer to the user guide. Now let's come to the installation of this module. Now for the installation of the Opencart POS system module, you just need to upload the admin, catalog and WK POS folders into your Opencart root folder. Now after transferring the folder, use the extension installer for uploading the XML file, that is wkpos.ocmod.xml, which you will find inside the ocmod folder. So just go to extension and then extension installer, and from here you can upload the extension file. Then you have to go to modification and then you have to click on refresh button. Now after that you have to go to system and then user and then user group, and then you will find the administrator. So click on the edit button. From here you can select all the access permission and from here all the modify permission which we want to provide, and then you have to save from here. And after that again go to extension and then you have to go to modules and then you will find POS. So from here you can uninstall the module, or from this button you can edit the module. So we will now edit the module. So I will click on this edit button. So now you can see the status of POS that is enabled. You can see the general setting, store country, that is India. I have selected the region or state, that is Uttar Pradesh. Now come to the customer setting. Now here you can select the customer group from this drop down. From here you can just enter the customer name, first name, last name, email ID, telephone number and the default customer address. Now from here you can set the payment. So cash status we have enabled, title, cash payment and cash complete. Order status will be complete. So after entering the data in these three tabs, you can just save your configuration. Now let's go to the POS menu. Now under the POS you will get user, and under the user you will be getting two submenus, users and user group. So first I will click on users. So you can see the various user status, date added. From here you can edit it or you can add a new user from here. So first I will just show you how you can edit a existing user. So from here this is the username, the group, that is cashier, what is the first name, last name, email ID, image, the password and the status. And now I will just click on save and I can create a new user from here. Like username will be test2, the user group is cashier, first name, last name, email ID, from here you can select the image. So you can see I can select this one as it is already uploaded here. You can click on this folder and then you can see, and you can select any one of it. The password. Now you will save. So we have to confirm it again. And from here you can save it. Now you can see the user we have created. Now come to the user group. So now we have only one user group, that is cashier. So you can click on edit button and you can see the user group name. So from here you can edit it. You can select it, and from here you can delete it, or you can add a new user group. And I can save it. So now you have two user groups. Now again I will go to users and I can click on this, and from here I can select any of the user group. So this is for the admin panel, and now let's move to the POS section. Now this is my POS admin panel. So you can log in into your account. So I'm logging from the demo. So from here you can get resume session. So if you have already logged in into your POS admin panel, and due to network fluctuation or due to any reason your system has shut down or your session has not been completed, so when you will log in again, then it will ask resume the session or start a new session. So this is a new feature by which you can retrieve your old work which you were doing before the system or anything that disrupted your previous work. So we will start with start new session. So now you can see loading products, order, customer. So it is getting loaded. And now you can see our POS. We have logged in here. So you can see all the products which are listed here. You can see the cashier. You can see the view on hold order button. You can see cart items. From here you can see the cart product. You will see the subtotal, discount, tax. From here you can select the customer. You can see the time. From here you can hold an order. From here you can proceed to checkout. From here you can see the checkout. You can see the orders. From here you can do the settings. So now let's come to the setting part. So we will click on setting, and then you can see the basic setting. From here you can just enter your name, last name, username, account ID, your password, new password if you want to change your password. And the other setting is you can select the language and the currency, and then from here you can save it. So now coming to the orders. So from here you can see all the existing orders which you have placed. So if I will click here, the details will come here. You can see the order ID, you can see the date, you can see the time, you can see the name, you can see the address, billing address, you can see the mode of shipping, that is pickup. You can see the order details with the quantity and the price per quantity. You can see the total, and then you can see the total amount. You can see the mode of payment, that is cash payment, and from here you can even print your order. So when we have clicked on print, so you can see this is the receipt. So from here you can fit to page, and from here you can zoom in. So I am zooming in, and then you can see the name, you can see the date, the time, the order ID, and the cashier name. You can see the mode of shipping, mode of payment. You can see the list of product, the quantity, price per quantity, the price. You can see the subtotal, you can see the grand total. So this is the receipt which the customer will get after making the payment, and they can receive the product from the cashier itself. So this is also a very good feature, and you can use it on your physical store, and the order will be synced to your Opencart store automatically. Now coming back to POS again. So this was about the previous. Now you can see the offline orders. So we will be coming to this offline order in few minutes. So, and this one is on hold. So now there is no on hold order. So going to checkout, you can see that there is no product to check out. So now what we will do, we can go to this POS. So you can also search from here. So I would like to tell you that this search is very fast. Like if I search Mac, so you can see how fast it displays the result. If I select book, so you can see all the products with the keyword BOO has been displayed here. So you can see it is so fast. And also you can sort by categories. So you can see you have electronics, fashion, food. So if you will click on plus, you can see its subcategories, and if you will click here, you can see the products which we have clicked on desktop. If I want, I can click on cameras, and then I can see the products which are inside the cameras category. Like the same way for the fashion, I can see for the beauty, and for the food also you can see the salads. So you can see the salads, and here is the number count. So it displays how many products are available for this particular subcategories. And if you will click here, then all the products from all the categories and subcategories will be displayed here. So this is one of the good feature of POS. Now let's do a checkout. So I will add, for example, 2 products. You can see notice has been added to your cart. So from here you can see the product, and from this cross button you can even remove the product. So you can see the subtotal, you can see the discount, you can see the tax applied, and then from here you can select the customer. So you just have to enter the name, like I have entered James. And now what you can do, you can just proceed on checkout. So I will select cash payment. So you can see the balance. Now here you can see the balance due, and here you have to enter the amount which the customer gives you. So for example, I enter 500, so I can see the change which I have to give back to the customer, that is 140.01. so it will be in cash only because it is cash payment. So I can write 359.99, then I have to give 0 change. So I can accept the payment, and then the order has been successfully placed with the order ID 20. So now let's go to the order and see the order details. Now we will go to order, and now you can see order ID. So I will click here. So you can see the time, the date, purchase, mode of shipping, order details. So you can see quantity, subtotal, total, and everything, and this is your order ID. So from here you can also print this order. Now let's see what is on hold order. So again I will go back to my home page, and then again I'll add 2 products. So you can see that this particular product is having an option and a mandatory sign. So if without selecting the option I click on add to cart, then it will ask fill all required option to continue adding this product to the cart. So I have to add this product after selecting the option. So I have selected the red option, and then I will click here. Then you can see that this one has been added. Again I will click on this, so this has been added. Now what I can do, I can hold this order if like there is some issue with this customer, or if this customer wants his order that it should be on hold and he needs to buy some other product, so he can ask us to hold his order, and then we can proceed with another customer's order. So you can see that now we have Canon EOS 5D red color and HTC Touch HD. So now this order I will put it on hold. So I have holded this. Now you can go to your order and you can see your own hold orders. Now go to order and then go to on hold, and now click here. So you can see the same product, that is Canon EOS 5D with red option and HTC Touch HD. So now from here you can proceed to checkout and select customer, or you can make it on hold and you can proceed with another customer. So what I will do, buy another product. So from here again I have to select the delivery date because it is mandatory to select, and then I will add this product. So you can see that here there is no mandatory sign to select the option. So if I will simply click on add to cart, it will get added simply here. But here you can see it's mandatory to select size and color. So I have to select the size and I have to select the color, and then I have to add this product into the cart. So you can see. And now again, this particular customer has requested me to put this order on hold. So what I'll do, I'll also put this order on hold. So now let's see how many on hold orders we have. So now we'll go to order and on hold, then you can see. So now I will click on this. So now this particular person has written and they have selected this blue dress. So now also it is not mandatory to select the option. So I will simply, but you can see the quantity for blue dress is not available. So we cannot buy this product because the quantity is not available. So again, this person will ask me. So let's see. So now you can see the first two were the evening black dress and lotus tunic, and now we have added evening red dress. Now I can proceed to checkout. I can select the cash payment, and now I can enter the amount, and then I can accept the payment. And now you can see that 21 order has been placed here. So you can see all the details in the order receipt. Now so on hold you can see cart. So you can select the cart one. So you can see that there's 3 products. This were the first 3 products which we have ordered, like we have added into the cart, and then we have made it on hold. So I will just proceed to checkout. I will enter 300 and then I will accept the payment. So now go to order and you can see all the orders which we have placed right now. Now let's proceed to offline feature. So suppose you are staying in a remote area or where the internet connection is not good or it's fluctuating, but you need to place the order, like you have a shop and the sale must go on. So the net connection has been interrupted, but there is a huge queue in front of you and people are waiting in the line for their turn to come so that they can place the order and then they can buy your product. So you cannot just interrupt your sale because of this internet connection. So we have added a new feature that is offline. So just click on this, then you will be entering the offline mode. Now you have entered the offline mode and still here you can place the order, you can search the product, you can put the order on hold and many other things. But after placing the order also you can even print the receipt. So each and everything is done in the offline mode. So I'll show you how. So first, see, after the offline mode, what we will do, we will add this product. So I'll select, and now I'll select the customer, and now I'll proceed to checkout. So I'll enter the amount which already is there, and then I'll accept the payment. Now I'll go to this, you can see the order has been placed. Now go to order, but you will not see the order over here. You will see that order over here, and you will also see sync all offline orders. So for the syncing part only you need the internet connection. So you can place as many orders you want in the offline mode, and once you get the internet connection you can sync all the offline orders, and then it will be displayed here and in your Opencart admin panel. Now likewise we have placed 2 offline orders, and the 3 offline orders, and you can see here. Now what we will do, suppose you have got your internet connection back or the internet connection is good now. So what you will first go to your online mode, you'll see the message, and then you will click here, and now you will see synchronizing your orders, and now you can see the order are synchronized to the server, and now you can see over here the 3 order with the complete. So you can go here, you can see all the details in the receipt. So this is all about our wonderful module Opencart POS. So if you have any doubt regarding the module, you can just raise a support ticket at webkul.com. Thank you for watching this video tutorial and have a nice day.